Hi, welcome to 7ware, I am Tiago. I've come here to show you these spotlights. It's a Ci-Fotto brand product, I bought it on Amazon. It comes with 2 light sources, a tripod, and everything you need. Brings various color filters for photography studios, YouTube, TikTok, video recording, streaming, and can you use to your shows like I go to use. They are LED, as you can see, and have this basic plastic coating. This is how you place the filters on top. The filters come with protection. You have several colors that you can choose from. This piece is what will fit onto the tripod and allows you to adjust the angle of the light to where you want it. Yes, they are connected by USB Type-A, so you can use a power bank and place them wherever you want without worrying about the wire, or you can use a cell phone charger that is USB Type-A. Let's look at the tripods now. They're not very strong, but they'll do the job. They stretch up to 5 feet or 1.50 centimeters. We're going to turn it on now so you can see how powerful the light is. I go using this power bank. It has a manual controller where you can turn it on, off and control the light intensity. Let's see how it looks now with some filters. I barely put the intensity on high, the camera can't handle the light. Here are some final tests. I hope I was clear and that you enjoyed it. I'm leaving the link where you can buy the spotlights and the power bank. Until next time.